We're given the following circuit diagram to the left, and we need to find the Thévenin equivalent of our circuit. So looking at this circuit, we need to convert it to the S domain. So to convert it to the S domain, the V is going to be over S. And we also need to do something similar with our capacitance. So first, let's look at the capacitor. The capacitor, we want the impedance of it. So we're going to have ZT of H, and this is going to be equal to 1 over, and normally when we were to do this earlier with other chapters, we did J, which is an imaginary number, times our omega times C. However, for S domain, we are just going to have 1 over S times C. So that's going to be the impedance. Now let's look at the voltage. So we have C times V0. Well, V0 needs to be over S. And so the VT of H is equal to a VAB. This is this voltage. It's going across here. And this VAB should be equal to a V0 over S, as we have right here. So it cannot be this, and it cannot be this. Now, when we look at the impedances, we're looking at these two. The only impedance could be this one. So it can't be this, and that means that C is our correct answer. So the current is going to flow through here. Some of it's going to go this way, and some of it is going to go, actually, there's some current going this way, and then it'll reach this part right here. So the current will flow kind of all around this way until it gets to B. And that is the Thévenin equivalent of this circuit.